Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive introduction to AI, exploring its basics and shedding light on its wide-ranging applications. So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These machines are designed to perceive the world around them, reason, learn from data, and make decisions. There are two main types of AI, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks efficiently. It is prevalent in applications like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition. On the other hand, general AI, known as strong AI, aims to possess human-like intelligence, with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks. The applications of AI span across various industries. In healthcare, AI plays a crucial role in medical imaging analysis, disease diagnosis, and drug discovery. AI-powered chatbots are used in customer service, and virtual assistants help us with daily tasks. AI is revolutionizing transportation with self-driving cars and optimizing logistics. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming our lives. Machine learning is a fundamental aspect of AI. It is a technique that enables machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms analyze large datasets, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that knowledge. This iterative learning process allows machines to improve their performance over time. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks to process complex patterns and data representations. Deep learning has achieved remarkable breakthroughs in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis. The impact of AI is vast and can be seen in nearly every aspect of our lives. It has the potential to increase efficiency, optimize processes, and tackle complex problems. However, the rise of AI also brings up important ethical considerations, such as privacy, transparency, and fairness. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to address these challenges proactively. That brings us to the end of this video on the introduction to artificial intelligence. We hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of the basics of AI. If you want to learn more about AI and its applications, make sure to check out our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.